Supply chain and logistics, it's vital to our business and it's vital to EPCA. The EPCA Supply Chain Programme Committee is the oldest advisory body to the board, dating back to the 70s. The SCPC continues to develop the supply chain and logistics part of EPCA annual meeting. We propose thought-provoking projects to the board supporting improvement of chemical supply chain management. And it has been recognized that logistics and supply chain activities are a crucial capability. The composition of the SCPC is unique as it represents a balance of industry players, from petrochemical producers to logistics service providers, such as terminals, shipping, storage and transport providers, but also representatives from industry councils and associations for chemical transport. In 2017, EPCA and Vlerick Business School teamed up for a joint study to investigate the petrochemical sector's appetite for digital technology and to harvest existing digital best practices for the industry.
In our joint study of the impact of digitization on the petrochemical supply chain, the majority of the respondents indicate that the petrochemical sector is lagging behind in terms of digital innovation. But awareness is high, and there is a clear appetite to transform. The study also shows the way forward, with cases, best practices, and stories of digital technologies that boost your supply chain.
Interested in learning more? Be sure to pick up the final report soon available on the EPCA website. And stay tuned for news on our upcoming supply chain and logistics workshop scheduled for mid-2018. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to take advantage of digitization. Thanks and have a safe day.